Hi, my dear students. How are you? Good morning to everyone. I'm Santosh, working as science teacher at Dr. Besant School. Children, we completed nervous system teaching part, hard words, everything is completed. Today, I'm going to start workbook part. Children, open workbook page number 9. Page number 9. In that, multiple choice questions. What is the first one? Which of the following is long and thin and starts from lower part of the brain? Please tell me, which is the long and thin like a pipe and starts from lower part of the brain? From the brain, what will start? Yes, here B, spinal cord. A given foot pipe, it's not correct. After mouth, the foot pipe will come, and the C is nervous system and D is backbone given. All the three options are wrong. The spinal cord. Okay. From brain, a thin pipe-like structure comes out. That is nothing but spinal cord. What is the option? Option B. Second one, name the organ system which controls all the body functions. Here, what are the options given? Nervous system A, B muscular system, C digestive system and D excretory system. Children, tell me which system controls other systems? Yes, muscular system will not control other systems. Digestive system will not control other systems. Whereas excretory system will not control other systems. The nervous system which contains brain will control other systems, other organ systems. What is the answer? Yes, A, nervous system. Option A, nervous system. Now, fill in the blanks. Next, move to fill in the blanks. Another third one. Dash or thread-like structures that form the part of nervous system. You know what are the parts that are present in nervous system? Brain. Brain leads to a tube-like structure called spinal cord. From the spinal cord, we find thread-like structures that are present throughout the body. What are they? Yes, they are nothing but nerves. The nerves are thread-like structures that form the part of nervous system. What is the answer? Third one? Nerves. Fourth blank. Dash looks like a long tail of the brain. After brain, one long tube-like structure comes out. What is that? That is nothing but spinal cord. Spinal cord. Spinal cord. Spinal cord looks like a long tail of the brain. Spinal cord looks like long tail of the brain. Next, very short answer questions. Moves to very short answer questions. Very short answers. Short answers. Questions. Yes, under that, what is the first question? What protects the brain? Children, tell me. Brain is protected by a. Okay, I will ask before that. I will ask one question. Heart is protected by rib cage. Like brain is also protected by one bony structure that is called skull. Very good. Fifth one answer is skull. What protects the brain? Skull. A bony box like structure that is nothing but skull. Sixth one. You know, brain leads into a fine tube-like structure, nothing but spinal cord. Spinal cord is protected by Yes, spinal cord is protected by one structure that is known as, yes, backbone. Spinal cord is protected by one structure called backbone. It protects the spinal cord. Next, turn page number 10. Short answer questions. In that, one diagram is given. Label the parts of nervous system in the given diagram. Okay. Here seventh one moves to seventh one. Short answer questions. Short answer questions. Okay. What the question given? Here, label the parts of nervous system in the given diagram. I am showing you the diagram. Here, see in the diagram you can see brain, spinal cord. Yes, what is given? Nerves, and about two columns are given. One is brain. This one is brain, and at the down tube like structure is called spinal cord. Children, you can able to see or not? Yes, note it down. Seventh one, A, brain, B, spinal cord. B is spinal cord. Okay, and the third one now is already given in your book. Next, true or false? Next, true or false? Tell me true or false. The brain is the control center of the body. Is it true or not? Brain controls all other organs. Isn't it or not? Yes. The brain is the control center. Very good. It's true. Ninth one. The nerves carry messages from different parts of the body to the brain. Is it correct or not? The nerves that are present, they will carry information from different parts of the body to the brain. And also, the nerves carry messages from brain to different body parts. Is it correct or not? Yes. Ninth one is true. And the 10th one, body parts never follow the messages that they receive from the brain. Is it true? The body parts never follow the messages that they receive from the brain? It's false. All the organs will follow what the brain will say to that organs. All work together. Whatever the brain is saying, that will be that all the organs will follow what the brain will do. That's why the option is false. And 11th one, the process of carrying messages throughout the body takes a lot of time. It is given, the process of carrying messages throughout the brain takes a lot of time, it is telling. Is it correct? It will take a lot of time for the brain to send messages to different parts of the body, and it will take a lot of time to reach that organ. No, within microseconds all this process will be completed. That's why this option is also false. Once again listen, the process of carrying messages throughout the body takes lot of time, it is given, but it is wrong. It takes very less time. Within seconds, the electric signals in the form of electric impulse, the messages will send from brain to different parts of the body. Note down, children. Then we will move to short answer questions. Next, we will move to short answer questions. Okay, what is the first one? Short answer questions. What does the brain need to control the body? What does the brain need to know to control the body? That is the first short answer. Please note it down. To control the body, the brain needs to know what is happening in different parts of the body and outside of the body. Okay, brain to control the other organs, to control the body, it should first know what is happening in the other, what is happening in different parts of the body and outside of the body. It is must and should. Okay. 12th one, to control the body. All the answer, put it down. To control the body. To control the body. The brain needs to know, brain needs to know what is happening, what is happening, what is happening in the different parts of the body, what is happening in different parts of the body and outside of the body. Body and outside of the body. And outside of the body. Very good. Okay. I will give you one nice example. In our school, so many teachers are there, students are there. Our HM, first of all, HM sir should know what is happening in the different classes. First, he should know what is happening. He has to observe what is happening in the different parts of the body. He should receive message from the teachers. The teachers from the respective class teachers as well as subject teachers will give information what is happening in the school. Then only he will control the school. If any teacher give complaint that so and so student is not reading, not doing works, not behaving well, then the HM sir will take action. Isn't it or not? He will instruct the teacher what the teacher has to do. Okay, isn't it or not? In the same way, in order to control the brain needs to know what is happening inside the body as well as outside the body. Next, 13th question. Which parts of the nervous system help the brain in giving instructions to the organ? In the nervous system, two parts will help in giving instructions. What are they? Yes, nerves and spinal cord. What are the two parts that give instructions to the organs? The network of nerves and the spinal cord. Both help in giving instructions to the organs. Note it down, children. The network of nerves and the spinal cord helps the brain in giving instructions to the organs. Giving instructions to the organs. 13th one, note it down. The network of nerves. The network of nerves and the spinal cord spinal cord helps the brain in giving instructions to the organs. Instructions to the organs. Isn't it or not? Yes. Next one, 14th one, long answer questions. Moves to long answer questions. Yes, in that, here one diagram is given in the long answer questions. Children, I am showing on the screen. Complete the steps to explain how the nervous system works. That is the question given. Here you can see, complete the steps. Yes. Here see, complete the steps to explain how the nervous system works. Use the images as hints. Here you can see one girl is giving box to the person. Here that girl is compared with organ. This organ is giving information to the that blue colored shirt boy. He is nothing but nerves. Okay, the nerves take the message. You can see that blue colored boy, blue colored person is carrying that box through the scooter. Here blue colored person is compared with nerves, and the red scooter, you can see the red scooter can be compared with spinal cord. And what it is happening? The nerves, that blue colored person giving information to the another person. Here blue colored person is compared with nerves and is giving information to the brain. Here the brain reads the message and decides what needs to be done. After that again the brain gives the box to the person. The person is nothing but nerves, gives message to the receiver organ and tell what to do about the message. This is the process that is happening in our body. Okay, children, note it down. First two already given in your book. You have to write third one and fourth one. C and D you have to write. I am giving C and D. C. Already A is given. B is given. In your book you have to write C. The brain reads the message. The brain reads the message and decides what needs to be done. What needs to be done? Isn't it or not? Okay. Next D. In that only D. 14th, under 14th, D option. The nerves give message to the receiver organ and tell what to do about the message. Under 14th question, D. Under 14th question, D. The nerves give the message to the receiver organ, is to the receiver organ The nurse gives the message to the receiver organ and tell what to do about the message. Tell what to do about the message. Isn't it or not? Next one, multiple choice questions. You can see multiple choice questions. Sorry, it's in the Zoom. Okay, the network of nerves put under D. The nerves gives message to the receiver organ and tell what to do about the message. You can see, right? Note it down. C. Under long answer question, the C is given. The brain reads the message and decides what needs to be done. And after that, D. The nurse gives the message to the receiver organ and tell what to do about the message. Isn't it or not? Next, multiple choice questions. In that, 15th one. What is the 15th one? Name the sense organ from the following. Here, A teeth given, 15th one, B hair, C nail, D nose. What is the answer? D. Nose is the sense organ. Here, nose is the sense organ. Remaining all not sense organs. Teeth is not a sense organ. Hair is not a sense organ. Nail is not a sense organ. Here, nose. You know that 5 sense organs are present in the body. 5 sense organs: skin, nose, ears, tongue. Okay. Here, the what is the sense organ given? Nose. 15th one answer is 15th one D. And 16th one, you see, turn page 12. Children, turn page 12. What helps us to feel if a thing is cold or hot? Yes, sense organ will tell. In that, A skin is given, B ear given, C hair given, D nail given. Okay, when we touch with the hand, the sense organ which feels is that skin. The skin tells us whether it is hot or cold or like that. Option A. Now moves to short answer questions. Short answer questions. In that, which organs work together to make us sense something? Short answer questions. In that, note it down. Which organs work together to make us sense something? The sense organs work along with the nervous system to make us sense something. Okay, the sense organs only work together in the nervous system to make us sense something. Put it down, 17th one. The sense organs work along with sense organs work along with the nervous system to make us along with the nervous system to make us sense something. Make us sense something. Okay. Children, note it down. The sense organs work along with the nervous system to make us sense something. Isn't it or not? Next moves to 18th question. How does ear help us? Children, please tell me. Ear. You know that ears help in hearing. Note it down, 18th one. Ears capture the sounds and help us hear. Isn't it or not? Put it down. Next, 19th question. 19th question, long answer questions. Children, note it down. Next, on the screen you can see the boy is ringing the bell. First of all, what will happen? The eyes and ears send messages to the brain through nerves. After the brain reads the message, it identifies the sound and the object, and it tells what the sound is, and it tells the eyes what the object is. Note it down. Children, note it down, the 19th question. Yes? 19th one, the eyes and ears. The eyes and ears. 19th one, A. The eyes and ears, the ears and the eyes, ears and the eyes send messages to the brain, send messages to the brain through nerves, through nerves. And B, the brain reads the message. What the brain will do? The brain reads the message. The brain reads the message. Okay. Now third one, what it is given? Third one, it is given, it identifies the brain. It means here the brain identifies the sound and the object. The brain identifies the sound and the object. Brain identifies the sound and the object. And next D, it tells the ears and eyes. The brain tells the ears and eyes what the sound is, what the sound and what the object is. Here what the object is. What the object is. Okay. Now moves to last question. 20th question. You can see, children. Okay. Here 20th question. Name the sense organ other than the eyes that are used to identify the following. Here glass is there, in that certain liquid is present. Without eyes, how can we tell what kind of liquid it is? If it is sugar solution, if it is salt solution, how can we tell? By tasting with the help of tongue. Unless we taste it, we cannot tell that it is sugar solution or salt. Other than eyes, the tongue helps in tasting. Here B, with the help of skin. Other than eyes, by feeling, we can say that it is book, the fluttering of papers of the book. And the C, you can see ears. Without seeing the bell, by listening to the sound produced by the bell, we can say it is a bell. The bell is ringing. Here D. Here without seeing with the help of eyes, by the fragrance produced by the smell, by the scent bottle, we can say it is perfume. With the help of nose, by its fragrance, we can say it is scent. And here the table, by sensing, by without seeing with the ice by touching the table. We can say it is table. It is made up of with wood. And here, without ice, we can tell where the sound is producing. That sound is produced from sound box with the help of ears. With the help of ears. And here we can tell without seeing the flowers, the name of the flower by its fragrance with the help of nose. And the last one we can tell whether it is sweet or hot or with the help of tongue. Without seeing, by tasting with the help of tongue, we can say it is sweet. Okay, children, note it down. Yes? Children, note it down that last question that it is given. A. Tongue. A. Tongue. B. Skin. C. Ears. D. Nose. And E. Skin. And F. Ears. G. Nose. And H. Tongue. H. Tongue. Children, by this the workbook part is completed. Please note it down. If you want more time to write, you can press pause button and you can copy it down. And also we are sending the soft copies to you, isn't it or not? That from that we can copy also. Okay. In the next class, in the next video, I am going to start the lesson 4, floats, sinks and mixes. It's a very interesting lesson because there are so many activities that are there to perform in that class. In that lesson, so many activities are there, very interesting activities we can perform. It's a very interesting lesson. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the lesson floats, sinks and mixes. Until that, have a nice day. Thank you.